Hi, my name is Dan Pelletier. I'm the water superintendent for the town of Harwich, and I'm here to introduce you to our new well 10 iron and manganese removal facility. Here we are inside of the smaller of the two buildings. It is the actual well and pump house where we pump the water out of the ground and introduce chemicals for pH adjustment and disinfection. What we use for disinfection is actually sodium hypochlorite, which is a vital part of actually creating a flock to remove the iron and manganese from the source water. Here we are in the larger of the two buildings. This is actually the iron and manganese removal facility. The pipes enter here from the well beneath my feet, and they actually come up through this pipe, through this network of piping. It's called a ceramic system. It's actually the first of its kind in the United States. It's a static mixer, and what that does is shear the particles of iron and manganese and allow the chlorine to create a better oxidation, to create a larger flock particle to be removed by the filters. As I mentioned, when the particles pass through the ceramic system, they create a larger flock particle. This particle is actually trapped within these green sand filters. After a certain amount of gallons pass through them, these filters are required to backwash. And when we backwash them, we reverse the flow of water through the filters, and it actually removes all of the iron and manganese that was trapped from the water. Here we are behind the building, standing in front of the backwash lagoons. When we go through a backwash procedure, all of the water that is used during that process is then flushed out into these lagoons. Underneath these lagoons is an underdrain system. This drainage system takes all of the backwash water and recycles it back into the ground for future use. Thank you for allowing me to show you the North Westgate Water Treatment Facility. Again, I'd like to introduce myself as Dan Pelletier, the water superintendent for the town of Harwich, and you can reach us at our main office at 196 Chatham Road, and our phone number is 508-432-0304.